On my capacity as school president, it is my honor to present to you 497 completers who have satisfactorily completed the preschool curriculum of Lucena Integrated School Foundation. During the school year 2023-2024, as prescribed by the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Republic of the Philippines, may I now request their confirmation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the authority vested in me as the chairman of Board of Trustees of Lucena Integrated School Foundation, and having been presented by the school president that they have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education of Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, I now confer you peaceful pleasures for school year 2023 and 2024.